Start healing. Practical step. Stop loading toxins into your body. What's really in conventional laundry detergents? Very few of us actually know what any of these various chemicals names listed on our laundry products actually are, assuming they are even listed on the packaging at all. Below is a list of chemicals that are found in detergents, fabric softeners, stain removers, and dryer sheets, along with their potential dangers. Artificial fragrances. Synthetic or artificial fragrances are considered to be among the top 5 allergens and are also known for triggering asthma attacks. 95% of chemicals used in fragrances are synthetic compounds derived from petroleum cocktail of benzene, derivatives, aldehydes, phthalates, and many other known highly toxic chemicals that imitate fresh scents. These toxins are proven to have the capability of causing allergic reactions, obesity, birth defects, neurotoxin, central nervous system damage, endocrine disruptors, and potent cancer-causing chemicals. Your skin is an organ. It has the capacity to absorb into your bloodstream whatever rubbing against it. When scented fabrics, softeners, and detergents are used and clothing is dried in the tumble dryer, the dryer vents emit a surpassing amount of volatile organic compounds that are classed as hazardous air pollutants, harming throat, nasal passages, and airways. More than 33 million Americans are suffering from sinusitis and 12 million suffering from asthma. Asthma and asthma-related deaths have increased by over 30% in the past 10 years. The damage caused by fragrances in chemical cleaners alone is likely to be a leading cause of this dramatic increase. So a good general rule to follow is, if you can smell the fragrance of a product without opening it, it's not safe. Unscented products are often just as harmful as their scented counterparts. Solution: find natural ones or make your own. I will show you how. Natural fragrances, products that state vague wording like natural or organic fragrances, including those that list essential oils, are often made using less expensive solvents, which can be equally as hazardous to our health and the environment as artificial fragrances are. Many of those substances, including those found in essential oils, can react to the ozone, creating secondary pollutants such as acetaldehyde, acetone, and formaldehyde. Optical brighteners, shortened as ER, KSN, OB, OB1, etc. And then we have optical brightening agents, optical whiteners, fluorescent brightening agents, fluorescent brightening agents. Most conventional detergents include an additive known as optical brightener. They have been proven to be toxic to humans and may cause developmental and reproductive effects. Experiments have shown that bacteria and fungi, when exposed to optical brighteners, absorb them and transport them to new cells. This is also known as mutations of microorganisms. Optical brighteners may also cause skin to become photoreactive, meaning it becomes more sensitive to harmful sun rays. They are not biodegradable and may bioaccumulate. They are hazardous to aquatic life. The solution is brighten your clothes on the sunlight. Be natural. Benzaldehyde is used in multiple household products despite being classed as a hazardous substance by the United States Environmental Protection Agency. It can cause irritations to eyes, mouth, throat, skin, lungs, and digestive tract. It can also cause nausea, stomach pain, and kidney damage. EDTA substances or acids are used to reduce mineral hardness in water. It has been found to cause damage to cells and DNA in animal studies, as well as having reproductive and developmental effects when consumed orally. EDTA does not biodegrade and can redissolve toxic heavy metals in the environment. This may lead to its reproduction into the food chain. Diethylhamine can cause irritation to skin and eye. It is also linked to liver and kidney tumors and developmental and reproductive testicular toxicity in animal studies. Also known for acute chronic and subchronic toxicity for aquatic life. Quaternium 15 is known to release formaldehyde, which is a known carcinogen. It can cause contact dermatitis, rashes, and skin inflammation. 2-butoxetanol is used in detergents as a remover of grease and oil. In clinical tests, it has shown birth defects, reproductive and developmental effects in animal studies. It has also proven to be a carcinogen to animals. This substance can be absorbed through the skin as well as inhaled when airborne. Benzyl acetate is found in many cleaners, beauty products, and detergents. It is a carcinogen linked to pancreatic cancer, can cause irritation to the respiratory passages and eyes, and can be absorbed through the skin, leading to systemic effects. Animal studies have shown hyperanemia of the lungs. Dry cleaning, or PERC, is a substance used in dry cleaning. It can cause harm to the central nervous system. Long-term exposure may cause damage to the liver, kidneys, reproductive system, immune or hematologic system. Short-term exposure can cause headaches, dizziness, confusion, fatigue, skin, lung, eye, and mucous membrane irritation. PERC exposure has been associated with elevated risk of certain types of cancer and has proven to be toxic to plants and animals. The solution is, if you must do dry cleaning, then use carbon dioxide cleaning that is safer. Ethyl acetate is used in many household cleaners and is often found in fabric softeners. It is a neurotoxin and narcotic. It is known to be irritating to the respiratory tract and eyes. It may cause headaches and could potentially cause damage to the liver and kidneys. Nonylphenol ethanoate NPEs, non-ionic surfactants, petrochemicals, has already been banned in few countries but still exist in many detergents found in the United States. NPEs are known endocrine and hormone disruptors and can have negative effects on fetal development and physical function. These chemicals are particularly harmful to infants and children. They are known for also causing harm to neurologic, immune, cardiac, kidney and liver functions. NPEs are also slow to biodegrade. They become even more toxic throughout the process and profoundly affect hormones in aquatic life. 1,4-dioxane, also known as dioxane or diethylene oxide, very harmful substance. Often it is not labeled or ingredients lists, as it is usually a byproduct rather than an intentionally added ingredient. This compound is known for causing irritation to the eyes and respiratory tract, as well as causing damage to the liver, kidneys and central nervous system. It has been classified as carcinogen to humans, and exposure to it has even been a reported cause of several deaths. Dioxin is not biodegradable, cannot be broken down and cannot be removed by water filters. To avoid dioxin, look for the following suffixes in the ingredient list of your detergents. Any ETA such as myrrhate, olet, laureth, ceternate, PG, polyethylene, polyethylene glycol or polyethylene oxynol, sodium laureth, lauryl sulfate, etc. Linear alkyl sodium sulfonates, LAS. Synthetic petrochemicals account for a large percent of chemical makeup of detergent. They are often listed on labels as anionic surfactants. These can act as skin and eye irritants, producing reproductive and carcinogenic toxins such as benzene during production. This can be toxic to aquatic life, and as they biodegrade slowly, they are an environmental hazard. Petroleum distillates or naphthas are derived from synthetic crude oil and are used for dissolving grease, dirt and grime. They have been linked to lung and mucous membrane damage, asthma and cancer, and can cause skin and eye irritation, respiratory system disturbance and harm to central nervous system. Sodium hypochlorite or bleach is a highly poisonous substance. While in use, chlorinated compounds are emitted and chlorinated VOCs are generated. These are toxic and considered to be human carcinogens. Bleach can also produce organochlorics, OCs, which are carcinogenic, neurotic and endocrine disruptors. Sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, and ammonium lauryl sulfate, ALS, are used in many household products for their foaming properties. They are known irritants to skin and eyes. They are also linked to organ toxicity, neurotoxicity, endocrine disruption, reproductive toxicity, biochemical cellular changes and cancers. Phosphates are very effective at breaking down dirt and removing stains, and as such are present in many household cleaners and detergents. However, detergents residues containing phosphates can cause nausea, diarrhea, and irritations. They are also very harmful to aquatic life in rivers and lakes, as they can increase algae growth, which depletes oxygen level in water. This can lead to the suffocation of salmon and other fish. Phenols can cause severe health disruptions and even death to a person hypersensitive to it. It is rapidly absorbed, and even at low doses it can cause severe toxicity in the heart, lungs, blood vessels, kidney and central nervous system. A-terpenol, found in laundry detergent, fabric softeners and bleach, This harmful substance can be highly irritating to mucous membranes, can produce pneumonitis and fatal edema, loss of muscular coordination, central nervous system, respiratory depression, and headaches. So I think that's enough to understand that we are bombarded with toxins every day. Let's see how we can eliminate a chemical buildup. The following list offers several ways to eliminate chemicals. So the most reasonable for some people would be to grow your own organic food and preserve your organic food, or go to markets and buy your own organic food. Wash all fruits and vegetables with purified water. Use running water and wash clothes to wipe produce down, followed by 2-minute rinse under running water. Use only natural cleaning products. Use natural insect repellent. Never buy products that contain DEET. Avoid the use of artificial scents, cosmetics, and room and land deodorizers. Do not use artificial sweeteners. Avoid processed food. Avoid areas where pesticides may have been sprayed. Do not use pesticides in your home or garden. Do not use mosquito spray. Wear socks into pants and long sleeves when you travel in areas where insects are suspect. It is right for you and your family to know what you are eating. Ignorance isn't always bliss. Protecting yourself and your family by eating organic, using natural products free of artificial chemical ingredients. Do not trust large print on the label. We've all heard phrase like the devil is in the details, and do not forget to read the fine print. So I would recommend to grow your own food and live out of city in a healthy, conscious community that are nowadays increasingly popping up everywhere in the world. That's the best way to go, and I'd love to help you learn how. I want you to become energy independent, food independent. So on behalf of the planet, I want to thank you sincerely for taking the time to read these Green Family tips. In future videos, we will show you how to make your own natural shampoo and conditioner, toothpaste, mouthwash, deodorant, natural stain remover, and laundry detergent. It is time to take your health back.